Welcome to the third and final video in this three-part series. Did a good scarification, a double scarification, did a scalp down to 3/4 of an inch. Now let's head to the garage and we'll show you what I'm fixing to throw down. Oh wait, here it is. We're going to throw down some CarbonPro-G. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today we're going to throw down some CarbonPro-G on our front yard for this final video in this three-part series. Trying to wake my grass up. It's already, if you've noticed, it's already turned a little green. Now let me show you first what I'm going to throw down. It's made by Let's-Go. It's called CarbonPro-G, and it's also powered by Bermuda Green. Picked this up at my local site one. We'll go over the contents of it. All right, first we have some compost. It's 47.4% compost. Biochar, 47.4%. Humic acid, 0.12%. And other ingredients, a little over 5%. And what we're going to do is we got about 4,300 square feet. So this at 5 pounds, it'll cover 8,000. So if we cut that in half, 4,000. So we're really going to put down about 10 pounds per square feet. And if you look over here, it says right here, 140 pound bag will cover at the rate of 10 pounds per thousand. That's what the M stands for. We'll cover 4,000 square feet. So we'll put down this whole bag on that 4,300 square feet. And we're expecting 2 or 3 days of rain coming up tomorrow. So we're going to see what happens and see how much it wakes it up. Let's cut this bag open and see what this looks like. Woo. All right, let's pick this up and see what it looks like. It looks almost like dirt, so I'm hoping it spreads good. It's smaller and finer than your other Bermuda Green products, like the Bermuda carbonized PN that I threw down last year when I did my vertical mulching. In fact, I'll put a little link up here if you haven't seen it. It's really neat. It's a process called vertimulching, where I actually drilled holes into the ground in some really hard red clay, and I put carbonized PN, I guess you can say the brother of this, CarbonPro-G down. But it really did good. So we're going to see how this works on the front yard. I may have to open up my gate. Let's see. I've got it set on 10 right there. So we'll do a pass and we'll see how it looks. Yeah, it's not coming out. I believe the Let's-Go setting was 30, so it's probably the same. If I recall my settings, it basically opens the hopper up full. Let's see how this goes. This area here is where it's next to this big oak tree. Puts out acorns and acid, and you can see that. My scarifier got into this. Oh, I hate this stuff. If you ever have any sod laid, make sure they take this off before they unroll the sod. They're lazy. Landscapers won't take it off. So I'm gonna throw a little extra by hand. Try and get this soil to turn around up here on this corner. if I cover the entire 4,300 square feet with this, you see it's not really coming out. I mean, it is coming out at a light rate. You can see this hole here where it creates a little tornado basically. It just sucks down. So I'm going to go ahead and open this hopper up as wide as it'll go. Now I'm going to hit it and go back to the cross method. And you can hear it coming out a little better. Okay, we got the old hopper fairly empty. It did come out. I actually ended up doing one pass this way, a second pass this way, and then a third pass this way to get it out. It's really, it's almost moist, but let me show you the concrete here. You should be able to see it. It did some really good coverage. Look how it over sprayed on the concrete. So it really covered really good. Let's see if we can find some in the yard here. Oh yeah. Hopefully you can see that. See this just black everywhere. So I'm hoping with this rain coming in, it'll dissipate it and just really soak it into the dirt, because we did scarify, so we got most of the thatch up. We did 2 passes on the scarification, so hopefully all this CarbonPro-G will get down, make good contact with the soil, and within a week after this rain, we should really see some green happening through here. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this final episode in this 3-part series of waking up my Bermuda grass in this spring. So we'll see you next time. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have you used CarbonPro-G, and how low do you go when you scalp your yard, or do you even scalp your yard? Let me know. See you next time. Hope you have a great day.